Welcome to the Easy English Cast. Let's learn English together. Enjoy your podcast.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back. It's great to see you again. Welcome to Day 6. Day 6 of our 30-day English challenge.
Day 6. Wow. That was fast.
It really is. And today, we have a very useful topic. We're going to talk about time and the days of the week.
Time and days? That's important.
Yes, it is. It helps us organize our lives and understand appointments.
Like meeting friends.
Exactly. So, let's start with the days. Do you know them, Ava?
I know some. Monday, Tuesday.
Good start. The days are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Perfect. You've got them all. Well done, Ava.
Thank you, Andrew.
You're a quick learner.
I try.
So, today we learned something new.
Okay. What is it?
It's about time.
Time? Like a clock?
Yes, exactly.
Oh, I like time.
Good. So how do you ask the time?
How do I ask?
You say, what time is it?
What time is it?
Perfect.
What time is it?
Yes. It's a very common question.
So, if I want to know the time, I say that?
That's right.
What time is it?
You've got it.
Is it always, what time is it?
Usually, yes.
Not, what is the time?
You can say that too, but what time is it is more common.
I see.
Imagine you have a watch,
Yes, I have one.
and you want to know the hour.
Right.
You ask your friend, what time is it?
Okay, I'll try.
Great. Great. So, Ava, we know how to ask, what's the time?
Yeah, what's the time?
Now, let's learn to tell the time.
Oh, good.
For whole hours, we say it's o'clock.
It's o'clock.
Yes. So, if the big hand is on the 12 and the small hand is on the 3.
Okay.
What time is it?
Is it 3 o'clock?
Exactly. It's 3 o'clock.
It's 3 o'clock.
We use o'clock for exact hours.
Like, when the little hand points to a number.
Right. So, if the small hand is on 7.
And the big hand is on 12.
Yes.
It's 7 o'clock.
Perfect. It's 7 o'clock.
It's 7 o'clock.
What about the small hand on 10?
Oh, that's easy.
Try it.
It's 10 o'clock.
You got it. It's 10 o'clock.
It's 10 o'clock.
So we say it's o'clock.
It's o'clock.
For example, it's 1 o'clock.
It's 1 o'clock.
It means it's exactly 1 o'clock.
I see.
Right, Ava? We learned about telling time. We learned it's o'clock. Let's practice now.
Okay, Andrew. I'm ready.
Good. What time is it on this clock? Imagine a clock. It's pointing to the 8.
That's 8.
Yes. So we say, it's 8 o'clock.
It's 8 o'clock.
Perfect. Now, imagine the clock shows 3.
Okay. 3 o'clock?
Exactly. It's 3 o'clock.
It's 3 o'clock.
Great job. Let's try one more. What about 11?
Oh. It's 11 o'clock.
You're doing so well. That's the way. We use a clock for the exact hour.
Exact hour.
Yes. So, Ava, we know it's 8 o'clock.
Yes, it's 8.
Good. Now, what if it's not exactly 8?
Not exactly 8?
Yes. What about 10 minutes past 8?
10 minutes past 8?
Yes. We say, it's 10 past 8.
It's 10 past 8.
Exactly. So, if it's 8:10, you say that.
Oh, I see. It's 10 past 8.
You've got it. And if it's 8:20?
20 past 8.
Perfect. It's 20 past 8.
20 past 8.
You're learning fast.
Yeah, it's easy.
What about 8:30? Do you know that one?
30 past 8?
Well, yes. But there's a special word.
A special word?
Yes. We say half past.
Half past?
Yes. It's half past 8.
It's half past 8.
So 8:30 is half past 8.
Half past 8. Right.
And 9:30?
Half past 9.
Brilliant. You're doing great.
Thank you.
Right, Ava. We know about o'clock. We also know how to say minutes. Like, it's 10 past 4.
Yes, I remember that.
Good. But what about exactly 30 minutes past the hour?
What do we say?
We have a special phrase for that. We say half past.
Half past?
Yes. So if it's 4:30, we say?
Half past 4?
Exactly. You've got it. It means 30 minutes after the hour.
Oh, I see.
Let's try another one. What time is it if it's half past 6?
6 and 30?
Yes. So it's 6:30.
Okay.
And if it's half past 11?
It's 11:30.
Perfect. So, half past is for 30 minutes.
Half past.
Yes. It's a very common phrase. For example, the train leaves at half past 2.
Half past 2.
That's 2:30.
Got it.
Great job, Ava. We're learning so much. Right, Ava. We know o'clock.
Yes, it's 8 o'clock.
Good. And we know half past.
It's half past 8.
Perfect. Now, let's talk about minutes.
Minutes? Like 8:05?
Exactly. When it's not exactly on the hour.
Okay. So, how do we say 8:10?
We say, it's 10 past 8.
It's 10 past 8.
Great. Let's try another one.
How about 8:15?
It's a quarter past 8.
It's a quarter past 8.
You got it. And 8:20?
Is that it's 20 past 8?
Yes, it is. Well done.
This is easy.
It is. So, remember, it's 10 past 8.
It's 10 past 8.
Very good. What about 9:05?
It's 5 past 9?
Exactly. You're learning so fast.
Oh, thank you.
Let's do one more. 10:10.
It's 10 past 10.
Brilliant.
I like this.
Good. We'll practice more later.
Okay.
We're learning so much. Right, Ava. We know the time.
Yeah, it's o'clock.
Exactly. And we know about half past.
Like half past 4.
Perfect. So, today, we're talking about days.
Days? Like today?
Yes. We have 7 days.
7? Wow.
Let's say them together.
Okay.
First, Sunday.
Sunday.
Then Monday.
Monday.
Tuesday. Wednesday. Thursday. Friday. And last, Saturday.
Saturday.
Good. Let's say them fast.
Fast? Okay.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Very good. You can say, what day is it today?
What day is it today?
And I can say, it's Monday.
Oh, I see.
You've got it. So, Ava, we know the days of the week.
Yeah. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
Perfect. Now, how do we ask about today?
What day is it?
Close. We say, what day is it today?
What day is it today?
That's it. You're asking about the current day.
Okay. So if it's Monday, I say,
You can answer, it's Monday.
it's Monday.
Exactly. Or, today is Monday.
Today is Monday.
Both are good. Let's practice.
Okay.
What day is it today?
It's Tuesday.
Great. And what day is it today?
It's Friday.
Excellent. You're getting it.
Yay.
So, if I ask you, what day is it today?
I'd say it's the day.
Exactly. Very clear.
So simple.
It is. And very useful.
When do people ask this?
Oh, all the time. Like in the morning.
At school?
Yes, or at work. Or just with friends.
What day is it today?
It's Wednesday. That's perfect.
I see. It's easy.
Great. So, Ava, you know days of the week.
Yeah, Monday, Tuesday.
Exactly. Today, we're learning months.
Months? Like, what?
Like January, February, March.
Oh, okay.
There are 12 months in a year.
12? Wow.
Let's start with the first one.
Okay.
It's January. Say it, January.
January.
Good. The month after January is February.
February.
Right. And then comes March.
March.
After March is April.
April.
Then May.
May.
After May is June.
June.
And then July.
July.
Next is August.
August.
Almost there. Then September.
September.
After that, October.
October.
And November.
November.
Last, we have December.
December.
Perfect. So, can you say them all?
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Fantastic. You've learned all 12 months.
It's a lot.
We'll practice them. For now, just know they exist. Okay, Ava. We know the months.
Yeah. January, February.
Exactly. Now let's talk about dates.
Dates? Like a food?
Haha, no. Like a day in the month.
Oh, I see. Like the 1st of January?
Yes. Very good. We need numbers for the day.
Numbers? Like 1, 2, 3?
Yes, but sometimes it's different.
Different how?
We say first, second, third.
First, second, third?
That's right. So the first day is first.
Okay. And the second day?
It's second.
And the third day?
It's third.
So, it's not 1th, 2th?
Not for the first 3 days.
What about the fourth day?
For day 4, we say fourth.
Fourth.
Yes. And day 5 is fifth.
Fifth. Okay.
And day 6 is sixth.
Sixth.
Most numbers add th.
Like 4th, 5th, 6th?
Exactly. So the 4th of July is.
The 4th of July.
Perfect. Let's try one more.
Okay.
What about the 2nd of November?
The 2nd of November.
You've got it. Great job, Ava. You're learning so much.
Thank you, Andrew. It's fun.
Now, we'll talk about saying goodbye.
Goodbye?
Yes, we use a special phrase.
Oh,
It's for when you see someone again.
like tomorrow?
Exactly. We say, see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Good. It means, I will see you tomorrow.
I see.
For example, if it's Monday now,
Yes?
and you leave,
Okay.
you can say, see you tomorrow.
So, Tuesday?
Yes, you'll see me on Tuesday.
I understand.
It's very common.
See you tomorrow.
Perfect.
So, we learned about time.
And days.
And dates.
And how to say goodbye.
This is great.
It is.
I'm ready for the next part.
Me too.
What's next?
Right, Ava. We've learned about time.
Yes. It's 3 o'clock. It's 5:30.
Great. And we know the days of the week.
Today is Monday or Tuesday,
And we know the months and the day number.
January, February, the 10th of March.
Exactly. Now, let's put it all together.
Put it together? How?
We can say the day, the date, and the time.
Oh, I see. Like a full sentence?
Yes. For example, it's Monday, the 15th of April.
Monday, the 15th of April.
Now, imagine it's 10 o'clock in the morning.
So, it's Monday, the 15th of April at 10 o'clock.
Perfect. Really good.
Wow. That's a lot of information.
It is, but it's very useful.
When do we use this?
When you make plans with friends.
Yes. Plans.
Let's meet on Friday, the 20th of May, at 7 o'clock.
Friday, the 20th of May at 7 o'clock.
You can say, see you then.
See you then.
Or, if you can't go, you say, sorry, I can't.
Sorry, I can't.
It's a very common phrase.
See you then.
You've got it.
So, if it's Tuesday, March 5th at 2:30?
We'd say, it's Tuesday, March 5th at 2:30.
Tuesday, March 5th, 2:30.
You're doing great, Ava. So, Ava, we learned a lot today.
Yeah, we did. About time and days.
Right. Let's quickly go over the most important phrases.
Okay.
First, how do we ask for the time?
What's the time?
Perfect. And to say a time on the hour?
It's o'clock.
Exactly. Like, it's 3 o'clock.
It's 3 o'clock.
Good. And what about saying half past?
7:30.
Yes. Like, it's 7:30.
It's 7:30.
Great. And we learned all the days of the week.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
You know them all. And how to ask what day it is.
What day is it today?
That's it. And then we learned to say, see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Very good. It's a friendly way to say goodbye.
I like that phrase.
It's very useful. So, that's day 6 finished.
Phew. I'm learning so much.
You're doing really well, Ava.
Thanks, Andrew.
So, it's time for us to say goodbye for today.
Okay.
We'll see you tomorrow for day 7.
Yay.
Have a great day. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Andrew.